The goal of this is to spread awareness of the litter situation in campus so that students and staff will make more of an effort to keep campus litter free. This is made by a geographical mapping software on Amazon Workspaces called ArcGIS to see the litter situation in JCU Townsville. I feel like the points could be different sizes or color coded to see which different kind of litter it is, such as cigarettes or plastics, because it's hard to see due to it being very congested. As you can see, I have the scale bar right here and the legend is here. I chose the color of the because it's contrasting, so it's easier to see, and it's landscape because I feel like it's easier to present. And this is a north arrow and the title, and yep, thank you.